With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Here question given is that in the above question identify true and false statement. Is HI hydrogen iodide replaced with C2H5NH2 in each statement? Okay. So we have given the reaction of C2H5NH2 with hydrogen iodide. This one is also hydrogen iodide. Okay. So, which give C2H5NH3 plus I minus. Okay. And we have given statement here. So in this question we have to just replace this HI with C2H5NH2. So I have just spaced out the previous question here so that it can be easy for us. Okay. So we know that C2H5 and H2 in this compound nitrogen have lone pair of electrons, so it can donate its lone pair of electron to electron deficient species and act as Lewis base. Okay. And it can also accept H plus from acid, so act as Bronsted base. So option correct here is first, which is a Bronsted base. So first option is true. Second, Bronsted acid not true, false. Third, Arrhenius acid, it cannot act as Arrhenius acid, so false. The fourth one is Lewis acid, so it cannot accept lone pair of electrons, so cannot act as Lewis acid, false. Arrhenius base is not true. Okay, so this is false. The sixth one is Lewis base is true. So only first and last are true and all options are false. So option correct here is second option, which is true, false, 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 false and true. And rest all options are incorrect. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.